Well, like a lot of modeling technologies, this involves a lot of computer power that's processing a lot of data and then projecting that forward. And meteorologists say predicting snow in this part of the country is very, very difficult because we have such a mix of different kinds of terrain, water, and wind. If you saw this last night here on King 5 News, you were among the first, watching the snow play out ahead of time over western Washington. By this morning, snow in Port Angeles, check. Snow in Olympia, check. Snow in Whatcom County, double check. Prior to last night, this would have been the kind of image we would have shown. The shape of the snow looking more blobby, the resolution extremely coarse, a far different image.
It's allowed us to finally get this resolution, the sharpness of the image down to where we can really see small scale features.
King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott is an expert in winter weather. The model may not be perfect, but it's close.
So now we look at this, we see the convergence zone. We see the effects of Mount Baker. Look up all that snow you see up there. That's where Mount Baker is.
It's all very, very complex.
University of Washington atmospheric scientist Cliff Mass has been working on this modeling for 25 years. On his computer model, he uses colors differently, but the data is the same. Integral to those snowy graphics are the winds, particularly the cold winds as they came out of the Fraser River Valley in British Columbia.
But to have cold air coming through the gap, to have the upslope, downslope effects, get all these things right is very difficult, and that's why snow forecasts are the hardest.
Outside of his office at noon today, there is snow in the air, but nothing sticking to what is still relatively warm ground. Had this played out a month from now with air and the ground even a few degrees colder,
the same exact weather situation probably would have given us a foot here in Seattle. So we're lucky this happened now.
Very lucky. Mass says this kind of technology also has lots of other benefits, including better predicting winds that can fan wildfires in the summer. Let me go back to you guys.